Well, as we end the year with the Indian equity markets being at record high levels, we put together some very interesting data which truly symbolizes the strength of Indian capital markets. The total market capitalization of Indian equity market has managed to cross that $4 trillion mark this year, and this makes Indian equity markets the fourth largest in the world. The shift of money into the Indian equity market has taken the market capitalization to GDP 10% higher this year. Now, if you look at this from a global context, India has a 74% global share in equity derivatives and 61% global share as far as derivatives across asset classes are concerned. The top three states with most number of registered investors include Maharashtra, and then there's a twist in the tail with Uttar Pradesh beating Gujarat this year on having higher number of registered investors. Markets haven't let these investors down as well. Nifty 50 has given returns of 18%. Nifty 500 has given returns of 23%. Interestingly, Nifty Midcap 500 gave returns of 47% and Nifty Small Cap 500 gave returns of as much as 60%. We spoke about IPOs and primary markets in great detail this year, but honestly, data suggests that this wasn't one of the best years as far as that market is concerned. The funds raised through NSE main board IPOs was down about 24% as compared to previous year, but the funds raised through SME IPOs was up 175% as compared to 2022. Secondary market saw a fair bit of action as compared to 2022. Funds raised through rights issue, they were up 120%. Through preferential allotment, they were down 46%. Funds raised through QIPs were up 5 times, whereas through OFS, that number increased by 44%. Now, funds raised via InvITs and REITs also saw a growth of about 3 times and 5 times respectively. It wasn't a great year for the debt market as well. The total funds raised through the debt market was down 4%. What this did was to bring the total fund mobilization, which was primary market, secondary market and debt market, lower than that of last year. Now, to end with the average daily turnover, which we saw in different segments of market. This was up 16% for cash market, about 33% for equity options, but it was down about 3% for equity futures.